Hey, in this video, we will see the recurring task logic changes that we made recently. Now let us create a recurring task first. We'll select a task type, stop, and the source will set it will be set to recurring. And when we set to recurring, the first step is to set the frequency. So by default, every 1 day is the frequency. Let us proceed with 1 day frequency, and the start date will be the current date, and end date is defaulted to the last date of the 20th year. Now we have added a new field where the display occurrences for up to next days is set to 15. This means the whole recurring window of this task is set, end date is set to 2030, but we will be showing only 15 days task. Let us say if I set every 2 days here, the occurrences will be created in such a way that for the next 15 days, the task will be created in a frequency of 2 days. So that means 7 tasks might get created with this frequency. Uh, this can be uh, this can be set to maximum 60. The value of the value can be is mag the value of this field is maximum 60 and defaulted to 15. Now we have two flags introduced here: overwrite edited and allow pileup. So let us discuss first about the overwrite edited. Overwrite edited flag has more significance in while changing the recurrence window. So let us assume this recurrent task is already created, and when the user tries to make any changes to the recurring window or the recurring schedule, then override edited comes into the picture. Let us say there are already tasks created for the next 15 days, and some of them are already edited. And when the dispatcher comes back and edits the recurring task or the parent recurring task or the recurring schedule, uh, the all the edited occurrences which have already been created will be overwritten. So that is how the overwrite edited flag means. So that is how it works. uh, Let us see how allow pileup works. So allow pileup means we are allowing the task to get duplicated. So let's say there are tasks created for the 15 days, and there are already edited occurrences. Let us say the recurring task is created from n to n plus 15 days, and on the n plus 1 on nth day there are tasks that are not resolved, and the allow pileup flag has more significance in the daily batch job. And when we are moving task from nth day to n plus 1th day, and when allow pileup is set to true, that means we are allowing duplicates to get created on the n plus 1th day. uh, let's say there are already tasks on n plus 1th day with respect to this recurring task or recurring schedule, and the tasks that are not resolved on the nth day will also be created on n plus 1th day. It will be moved to the n plus 1th day, and we will have two sets of recurring tasks for the same recurring schedule. Two sets of occurrences will be there on n plus 1th day. So in case if you don't need duplicates, allow pileups should be set to false, and overwrite edited should be set to true. If if you are if the if you are okay with having duplicates on a single day, then these both flags should be set to true. So this is what the changes are made. And where we are also having a small change on the recurring task window, where we can on off the recurring schedule. Let us say if I off this schedule, all the next occurrences will be deleted, leaving the tasks that are on the current day. And if I set to off, the recurring schedule will create all the new occurrences on the future dates.